So I'm gonna give you a quick house update, because this is the reason why I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately, is because I've been working on this thing. Still have the garage to do, as you can tell, but I'm starting to come around this corner here and replace all this siding up here, and that's where the siding had melted when that house caught on fire, so we'll have to remove all of this. But got the dormers done, and now I'm starting to come across the front porch. We're putting a lot of trim around the doors and the windows. Even the garage door will have pilasters and a keystone crosshead across the top on both doors. Front door same way, pilasters and a keystone. The windows will have keystone crossheads on them, all three of them. We'll come out here to the back of the yard a little bit. So I got all three dormers done. Those are done in board and bat. I think this blue is called Midnight Blue, and the gray is called Heritage Gray. Sorry if the camera's shaky, but I'm walking around out here. Now this is the left side of the house. Up here, there is a window that goes there. I'm just waiting on it to come in, and as soon as it comes in, I'll be removing some of that board and bat and installing that window. There'll be a window like this on both sides of the house. Now, if you're wondering what board and bat is, here's the difference between the two. This is just traditional 4-inch siding. This is what they call board and bat. It kind of mimics the old look where you would nail up a board, then you would nail up a board beside that, and then you would come in and put in a skinny board to cover the gap. And that's just what they call board and bat. Just kind of breaks it up, gives it a little different look. And of course, that's what the same thing is up there, board and bat. So that's kind of where I've been working on. I've put in bead board for the ceiling on the front porch. These posts will be wrapped in white columns, so they'll be big white columns. I got this bead board up there, got my lights in, so it's coming along. I still have a long way to go. I'll have to fix this block right here. The mortar has come out of it. So that's kind of a quick update on the house. It'll probably be January sometime before I have everything done except for the back side. Speaking of the back side, as you can tell, it still looks like garbage, but all of this has to be torn out. There's going to be a big back porch put on the back, so this will be covered up before long. I'll cover it up in black plastic to kind of winterize it, and then in the spring we'll be building a big deck on the back, or porch on the back of the house. And there's old Miss Massey over there. Y'all haven't ever really seen her before, but there she sits. But see, if you know, you need a big back porch when this is your back view. You know, when you can sit on your back porch and you can look pretty much in any direction and not see a house. Sit out here and watch the deer run through.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.